Hi, in front of me is Honor 8 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this device. First of all, go into Settings, then scroll all the way down, select Advanced Settings, Language and Input, Virtual Keyboard and the Keyboard. Over here go into Theme and click on Show More to see all available ones. When you're done, you can click on one of those photos. Click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and tap Apply. You can also do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!